Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure you have administrator rights. Without them, you cannot access system-level key data. Next, decide whether you need an OEM key burned to firmware, a user-entered product key, or the digital license tied to your Microsoft account. Once decided, open PowerShell as administrator or an elevated command, prompt to start. This avoids unnecessary GUI navigation and gets you straight to commands that read from the registry and firmware. That's the quickest, reliable path to the actual key data. Now run the specific commands that pull the key. Use wmic to request OA3x original product key if the device has an OEM key in firmware. Alternatively, run PowerShell queries against Software Licensing Service to view licensing status and partial key info. Make sure to also inspect the registry key under hklm/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version for product ID or digital product ID values. Those sometimes hold encoded key data. If you see a binary digital product ID, you'll need a small decoding script or tool to convert it into a readable product key. Finish by decoding any digital product ID values if you encountered binary data. Use a simple, trusted PowerShell snippet to convert it to the 25-character key. If no key appears, make sure the Microsoft account associated with the machine might hold a digital license instead. Sign in at account. Microsoft. Com to confirm. If problems persist, double-check you ran commands with admin privileges, that the firmware exposes an OEM key, and that the Windows edition matches the key. Mismatched editions will prevent activation even with a correct key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.